This video was brought to you by Marcus Biel, Elbilmek, ABRP Planner, Stormberg, Kempower, and Biel Komponenter.
Good morning, friends. Saying hi from kind of unusual location. I'm sitting in my Model X, and I'm happy to tell you a short story. There was one of channel subscribers, probably his name Håkon, who took contact with us at Elbilmek and offered to buy actually a Kia Challenge, one more Kia Challenge actually. He was writing that he owns Kia Soul. I think it's 2015 model. A few years ago the battery was replaced on warranty, then the onboard battery charger was replaced on warranty, and now the car stops. He says he was writing an email that he can drive 2-3 kilometers, the car stops, you restart it and it drives again. And he's been asking if we were maybe interesting to buy it and fix it and or do whatever you want. And of course I couldn't say no, because I'm kind of weak on this point. I was very curious to find out what the heck happened with this Kia, because it sounded not unusual fault. Normally I never hear that kind of say symptoms on Kia Soul. So we agreed on price, 27.5 I think in Norwegian kroner, so it's 2,500 euros approximately. And today is the day when I'm going to pick it up. Since in this channel it's a lot of talks about batteries and how to say, battery consumptions, energy consumption, sorry. So I have to say that I drive poor man's Model X 75. It's 2018 model, and you see the usage or the consumption is 364. It is because that I'm pulling quite a heavy trailer. So it weighs 560 kilos. It's 6 meters long, and I can have the total weight is 2,500 kilos. So it means that it's legal for me to pull a Kia Soul with this car. And of course quite big consumption because of tires is 285/22. Goodyear Ultra Grip, and the front is slightly smaller, 265/22. So I live in Drammen and Håkon lives in Vestby. In totally I had about 70 kilometers. On the way I have to cross Oslo Fjord tunnel, and this is like a well-known closed road, so I hope it's not gonna be closed. There was a sign that was saying that it's everything is okay and it's open, so let's go. And we are under the water. Look how dusty the tunnel in spring is. I switched on recirculation, but since I don't have a HEPA filter, so I still feel dust in my mouth. We are now at Supercharge Vestby. We are charging at Supercharge at Vestby with Kia already. Charging speed not impressive at all, and it's because I forgot to set up that I'm gonna charge the car, so didn't have enough time to what is called precondition the battery. So I picked up the Kia. I don't remember how much kilometers stand I told at the beginning, but it's 198,000 on the dash, and the car looks pretty amazing, I would say. Look. So Håkon was really looking after the car. And inside, yeah, it's wheels here, but it's like new car. Look, 198,000. Well done, Håkon. So I have 69 kilometers to Elbilmek, and Tesla suggested me to drive through Oslo, but here through Oslo Fjord tunnel, it's slightly shorter way, but it's more steep hills, and Tesla think that I need 20. It's gonna be 24% when I come back to Elbilmek, but I think it might be miscalculating because she forgot that I have a quite big load on the back, and it's gonna be quite different consumption when I go home. We have something common, or I have something common with Bjørn. We both love electric cars. We both love Tesla, and I think that we both cannot resist to some things like this, which is sold at gas station. Norwegian waffle is my favorite with the brown cheese. And I think that the best of them are sold in Circle K. It's often fresh, warm, and you can add some jam, your favorite jam. If you come to Norway one time, you have to try waffle with brown cheese. I recommend it. You have to be kidding me, 34 kilowatt. I was hoping that it's gonna increase from 50 up to, but it's decreasing. Mamma mia. So consumptions has equalized a little bit, so after 30 kilometers it's 389 with trailer behind and 1.70 or 1.8, I can't remember, ton on the hook. When I'm in Oslo with trailer, I'm get some kind of confused. Can I use bus lane or not? Like by the rules, if it's in certain time frame, I can drive with the electric car on bus lane. But can I drive it with trailer? Can I pull? Can I have on the trailer just electric car, or can I have another car with combustion engine on the trailer and still can be on the bus lane? So I'm back. Let's read out the folds and see if we find something. Get up. Okay. Okay, VMCU and BMS has something to say. Drive motor A position offset range performance. Hybrid battery voltage system installation fault. This is very interesting. Håkon was saying that, and I heard as well, that there's some strange sound when you drive a car. It's like high frequency sound out of gearbox or engine. Position sensor offset range performance. Interesting. Installation. Never seen that kind of fault before. Can it show live parameters isolation? Isolation resistant 3000 kilo ohms. I think it's not so bad. Six cells. State of charge. And what is state of health? I forgot to check. Does it show somewhere? State of health, where are you? State of health, 100%. Voila. I'm happy to see those numbers. Let's take it for the short spin and see if I can manage to stop. Not to stop, but to provoke fault. It's really strange high frequency noise out of engine compartment. What it can be. Look at the steering wheel, it's like new. Full power. Strange. Oh, I'm supposed to provoke this fault. It just happened. Electric vehicle system shut down. Before I stopped, I heard some strange sound from the engine. It's like was not high frequency, but something like it was metal touching metal, something like this. Oh, I can drive again. Feeling that it has something to do with the electric motor, this fault. But so far I have no idea how to find this fault, where to start without opening and taking apart the electric motor. It stopped again, and this high frequency noise stops at the same time when car stops. I think it's gonna be part 2 for this Kia repair, because it may be too long video. Are you like Håkon and have an electric car with trouble and you don't know what to do with it, and I'll say you are willing to sell the car for a slightly lower price than average on the market, you can take a contact with directly with me at Elbilmek, so maybe we can find a good solution which works well for you and for us. Maybe we can fix the car, make a video, and sell the car. I mean, it's important not just to buy new things every time, but it's important to try to repair them sometime, and yeah, to lower amount of waste in this world. So I think it's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later.